I take it back. Yeah, okay. But it'll still...
That had to be you.
Yeah, but you'll still kiss Cookie's ass, that's right. Come on, Cookie, give me marshmallow. Give me marshmallow. Anything else? How about...
We drink. Let's go. What about Bob? Die.
I received a message from my father. You said that as a world
Give me another one. Give me another one. Give me another one. Just pretend like I'm not here. Come on. Alright, how about without the flash?
David had talking shit on us.
Snarf, snarf. I can't still pick up in.
Hey, okay?
Hey, fuck face.
You got the fucking frogman with the fucking, you know. It is now 3:10 a.m.
Waka 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 waka.
It's on pause right now. Here we are. 11:06 in the morning. Yeah, they don't make it of beans anymore, I don't think. I think it's just foam stuff.
You're beanless.
They gotta make them bigger too.
I think the real bean bags are like $80 and shit. I'm counting on Not our butter. Granola bars.
I'll do both.
Actually, it's Leah's temp, but Leah doesn't mind.
Someone's laying up against it.
Do it.
See a broken toe. What the fuck, man?
Bill, what do you have for breakfast there? Some Red Man.
I had a piece of corn.
and Red Man for dessert.
Kodiak.
Oh, Kodiak. He chews that because Dane chews that. You choose that too because Dane chews that too.
Dane chews it because I chew. He wants to be like me.
Surveillance, wake somebody up. The camera and
See what they look like just when they open their eyes.
looking up their nose or something.
Piss me off.
Nice tent there. Good tent.
OJ, want me to pull this up closer? Get out of here.
Only place where it's sun. Oh, look at me get run over. Our tent back there. I don't know who that is. Dane, Aaron, his car. These matching tents that were here. Juice. We got our little community type thing up here.
You can get pictures of the toilet.
Why?
I'm on to the surgeon.